Every great snack begins long before the factory floor. It starts with selecting only the ripest, firmest jackfruit. From the crate to the conveyor, the journey to crunch begins. A thorough wash ensures every piece is clean and ready. Uniform slices are the secret to that perfect crunch. Only the most consistent slices continue down the line.
A gentle vacuum frying process locks in flavor and crunch.
Low-temperature frying preserves natural sweetness and texture. Golden, crisp, and full of natural color. The transformation is complete.
Excess oil is carefully drained for a lighter, crispier bite. A high-speed spin removes the last traces of oil.
A light touch of seasoning brings out every natural flavor.
Smart sensors ensure only perfect chips make it through.
This is the crunch that makes every bite unforgettable. Freshness is sealed in the moment. The crunch is perfected. Every bag is sealed to lock in maximum freshness. From factory floor to the world, ready for every shelf.
Every bag represents hours of care and craftsmanship.
That perfect crunch is the result of true craftsmanship. From farm to factory, this is the story behind every perfect crunch.